making hits was a problem. Would this be my profession? Would I be given these blessings if issue wasn't chosen? If I'm confused by my God, does that mean that I should test them? I let the lessons at hand is given to me unfold. Damn, see that's one hell of a question. Cause Smith & Wesson was the answers for niggas who got their records sold. While no impression was made on the cats who listen. Cause issue just wasn't glistening. Rapping about expensive goals. I'm finna show how I'm living through this music. And this music lives through me. And you hear it through these vicious flows. I got a knack for this. Born and bred for this rapping shit. Spitting shit so extravagant. Coming straight out of issues soul. Whoa, but I had to slow it down. Moving too fast for them unfocused niggas who was focused now. And if you getting this, then you the bear witness. It's simple, man. These other lyricists ain't fit to hold it down. The west side, they feeling us. The east side, they feeling us. And for the north,
Thanks. Super cool, right? Thank you. Cool skateboarding, come on.
North side, man, I know they feeling us. And for the south side, man, I swear they feeling us. It's like, how many times do we need to say it for y'all to hear? There ain't too many that's rapping that's even coming near. It's natural and also actual facts that they gon' be spinning this shit for about 100 years.
I got a knack for this rap attack in the flash. Fact that he spit immaculate, matching the gifted gab. No bragging, this is a sacrament. Fashion, the living, lasting. The master gave me a craft and said, now my lad, you can master it. So bad I'm blistering, double fist in the pen and pad. Scolding any mic, I flow volcanic gas. Stepping tune on the avenue to my mind. Blasting you to the heights of the Smokies where I reside. And hopefully in the stride and provoking the open mind. I've been flowing since rowboating, still floating and bowling rhymes.
Hey, it's Solomon Murphy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And you can always find me on Instagram at Y2K and beyond.
Perfect.
Not really, but.
The west side, they feeling us. The east side, they feeling us. And for the north side, man, I know they feeling us. And for the south side, man, I swear they feeling us. It's like, how many times do we need to say it?
What do you think about that? That was scary.
And also actual facts that they gon' be spinning this shit for about 100 years. I wasn't given this gift for issue to keep it silent. Started writing and the rest is in your history books. Soon to be up and ruling.